Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to access Strava activities using the Strava API in Python. Introduction. Strava is a popular platform for tracking and sharing athletic activities. If you want to access Strava activities programmatically, you can use the Strava API. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of accessing Strava activities using Python. We'll cover the following topics. Prerequisites. Before you start, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You'll also need a Strava account. Setting up a Strava API application. Authenticating with the Strava API. To access Strava activities, you need to authenticate your application with the Strava API. You can use OAuth 2.0 for this purpose. Install the required Python libraries using pip. Create a Python script to handle the authentication. Here's an example script. Accessing activity data. With the access token obtained from the authentication process, you can make requests to the Strava API to access activity data. Here's an example to retrieve a list of recent activities. Replace your _access token with the access token obtained in the previous step. Conclusion. You've now learned how to access Strava activities using the Strava API in Python. This tutorial covered setting up a Strava API application, authenticating with OAuth 2.0, and retrieving activity data. You can use these concepts to build various Strava-related applications and explore more API endpoints for detailed activity information. ChatGPT.